So very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to the global academies here in this platform. And it is great honor for me to be here as a speaker in INFES 2022, the fourth international conference new frontiers in engineering, science, law, management, humanities, and social science, organized by Eudoxia Research University, Newcastle, United States of America, Eudoxia Research Center, New Delhi, India, in collaboration with Mariam Abbasa, American University, Kano, Nigeria. Today, my topic of presentation is Open Innovation Model for Renaissance in Higher Education System. Truly, this is the time to have the renaissance in our research and innovation, and I am super excited to bring it together with all of you. We know that the conference always brings something new. And today, the outline I want to share with you. And at the very beginning, I'm sharing the quotation by the genius. Yes, Albert Einstein. His quotation is here that everyone is a genius. It's true. But if you judge a fish on its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Truly, we need to understand. I'm sharing this slide, and we can see that's our human brain. That's the neuron, axon, dendrites, that's all there. And that is also moving. So we have our strongest brain, and it is more powerful than anything in the world. We need the true innovation. We need the professional growth. Everyone is genius, as Albert Einstein here, but we have to identify which is my domain, where I am genius, if I wanted to do each and everything in my life. And our academic will be only for our scoreboard. That is like that I'm carrying one mark sheet only, and I'm having this much marks. We have observed so many computer engineers, which 99%, they do not know how to start programming. And we know Bill Gates was not computer engineer, but most of the people in this world using Microsoft Windows. So what is the difference? And why sometimes most of the dropout of the universities are doing genius work? And is it the right time to think about it? And whether we are not capable of thinking of bringing the professionalism in our academy, I think that we have to take care. Today, I'm taking the opportunity to address you all 193 countries, researchers and academicians in this platform, that let us join our hand and we will implement the open innovation model in higher education. There will be no difference in religion. No difference will make by the caste. No difference will make by the country, even your location and your level. The open innovation model will encourage you all to collaborate with each other. Yes, you were genius in one part and you need the another genius for other parts of the world. So why not we are collaborating with each other? Why not we will develop some patent? Yes, whenever we are arranging our patent filing, it will give us the royalty, but our motivation is not only the royalty, money earning. It will be the secondary part. Our part is very clear. We want to make the solution of existing problem in the world by joining our hands with each other. I think that in such case, we can bring the futuristic higher education. And today, this is our discussion. As I have shared already, that one fish cannot judge how it will fly in the sky Or if you were judging the monkey by saying like that, it is the fair selection to everybody, and who can climb or who can swim faster. The monkey is competing with the fish for swimming purpose, or for climbing the tree. Fish is competing with the monkey. It is not the selection of the fair process to all. What we are now suffering. I'm saying I'm not against the academic system, but we need the reformation, and we need to understand that we have the same examination system. We have the traditional growth only, and we are all expecting that it will be giving us something incredible growth in our career. How it will happen if we are not being careful that we have to take part? If we are outside the system, we cannot change the system. And if we are inside the system, we have to accept that we are having some lacunas, and it needs the rectification, reformation. We are not having financial education. You can see that the people having their PhD in the finance, they are trying to get their job. They are applying from one place to another place. People having PhD masters in their economics, they're trying to get one good job in the government, and they are ready to be the person who will work only with the system. But where the rectification is required, we need to bring it together. So open innovation model will allow you to share your thought process. The financial education is also the need of present era. That is, say, for example, I'm doing my research in solar cell. And if I'm physicist or the engineer, I'm doing my work on solar cell only, and I do not know the market growth. I do not know what is the demand of the market. I do not know whether this kind of solar cell are required in the society. And I'm saying that I'm doing my research in renewable energy. We are contributing to the world. We are publishing our research paper. Then what is the purpose of it? Why we are publishing our research paper? Is it only for getting the impact factor, H index, and the job in the university? Or we can think together. We all are academics and researchers here. We can think together that yes, we can make some change. There will be no unemployment if we can promote this financial education. That is one person who is doing his research in solar cell. Then he will combine his research with the digital marketer, with the market research team, with the economist, with the financial advisor, so that he will have the clear picture also that whether this product should be developed or not. If you are doing your research in political science and you are writing the paper, then other person, the people from science, engineering background, people from other domain will join their hand to make it fruitful research, which will have the application in the society. Otherwise, it will be only the publication of the paper, publication of the book, and we will say like that, we are having these numbers of publication, 70, 80 publication, but what is my contribution after my death? That will be not recorded. Truly, we know that Albert Einstein, we are always remembering how many publications, only 5. But the change in the world, see, he was explaining about the Brownian motion or the photovoltaic effect or the special theory of relativity and the general theory of relativity. In all 5 works, we have seen that the true innovation in Stephen Hawking and all other platforms also. I would like to share that from India. If we say about the book Gitanjali, of course, who will not remember Rabindranath Tagore? who was not contributing to only for the Nobel Prize, who was saying like that, I did not need it, I have contributed. Yes, he was the winner of Nobel Prize and giving the objection, I do not need a Nobel Prize because I'm not independent. That was the emotion of the academician. Today, we need to work on it. We need to bring the academician together to join their emotion for true growth in the society. I'm requesting everyone, let us do it together. We can do it in this platform. Now, little bit about the open innovation model, the market and the current market, as well as the technology based. You see that the internal technology, external technology. What is there? Say you are doing your research in management. You are doing your research in maybe digital marketing. You are doing research in say HR. All right. You are doing in the say organization behavior. Organization behavior. You have the large numbers of books about organization behavior, but very few publications, which is the demand of every corporate. Every corporate, they are working with their own system and the model. They need also some model for the growth of their business. So if we can combine one researcher from the management will coordinate with maybe the person from the computer science or IT, who will give the solution, the software solution to the corporate. The management academician will find out the problem, research gap, and finding out that yes, this is problem need to solve. And say 3-4 person, one person from computer science, one academician from management, and another market influencer. Say writing down one paper or book from 3 of these domains. Then every corporate, it may be the from say the Elon Musk group or from India, maybe the Adani group, Ambani group, or maybe the Tata group. They will run after that group. We need that one because we need success. We need the growth in our organization. And it is the truth. It is the truth of open innovation model. So we have to be happy that we are now having internet connecting all the countries. So my part is here to encourage you to join your hands. Let us start our collaboration. We are ready for collaboration. And today my research is about how collaboration can bring the open innovation and the employment opportunity to the researcher. If someone is unemployed, how he can get the opportunity? Not necessary to wait for the government job. They can be the good researcher. If you are doing your PhD, let us join our hand. You can go for postdoctorate, fellowship. Yes, PDF. You can select your country, that where you want to go there. You can work with the international team. So now the world is global by the internet connectivity. Let us use this one. Thereafter, this INFES 2022 will give you the opportunity, collaboration in a different sector, and also we focus on the software. That's you are having the software development, you are having different product, and we are open to all. You are developing your codes, you are developing some standard operating system. You are having the data science. Maybe you are working on the big data or the blockchain. And you are finding out the APIs. Your all these products must go through the collaboration. Then you will be visible to all. It will create the visibility. We have to understand. It will create the visibility to the world. Yes, the one person from United States, Canada, Nigeria, India, Bangladesh, maybe publishing one paper. Then it is collaboration stage. Number one. Number two, it will be visible. Number two, it will be visible to all. And thereafter, you will have the impact to the world. Impact. Everyone will think like that. Yes, I want to be like this. My paper should be followed by everyone. I will have good impact, H index of my paper, and my work will be remembered forever. even after my death. They will work in that. And finally, you will have the legacy. Otherwise, it will be not possible. We know that some of the innovators, they are having legacy. Even today, if I will say like that, Newton, then you know that it's the Newton legacy. If I will speak about the Galileo, you know that this is Galileo legacy, Einstein legacy. So we want to encourage you all. We know that we are having that. You are especially having the brilliancy in your research. So let us do this part, open innovation model. And for this purpose, I'm again sharing the first step is collaboration. Then we have to go for patent filing or the joint research paper or the book publication process for visibility purpose. And then we will create the impact together. And finally, we will create the legacy. INFES 2022 is targeting to bring all the people. I have shared here, one person is doing checklist, you can see here. Yes, here are the three main part, the domain, research and technology, and it will be on the top of this 3 points model, our research, sharing with you the 3-point model. That is, the business must be there, trading must be there, and whatever we are developing, it must be usable. We will not develop that which is not will be used by anyone. For what purpose? Our purpose is also very clear, higher education. We wanted to contribute into the higher education of every country, and it will be done by this triangle that we have made by research and technology. So let us find out that where we need to give the support. Let us join our hand and we will make the breakthrough in the higher education. No doubt, the traditional university, traditional mind will take the time. It's not about their maturity or it's not about their seniority or age. It is all about the tradition. Some people are more traditional. You have seen the movement made by Nelson Mandela. And we have to remember that he was also taking time to bring it to the success. People are taking time to understand it. And I am here super excited. I'm here pretty much sure that we are at least getting this point that this triangle model will support our employment, will bring the opportunity to go from one country to another country to carry out your PhD, to carry out your postdoctorate research, or you can do your DSc DLED also. It will give you the opportunity to enter into the different laboratory of the different country. It will give you the opportunity for more publication, and your publications are being considered by the corporate, okay, the companies for their business. It is very important. We are always living that. Therefore, our all works are truly only academic. We need to publish paper and we are forced to work. Sometimes we are also wrong. We are supervisor, we are saying, no, you need we need publication. Do it. So anywhere and anyway, no, do not go for that. Make your publication with the help of research and technology in the case of higher education, and we will bring it to the business. We are ready. If you are ready, let us work together. This is my request. I'm coming towards the end of my presentation. And the strategies I'm sharing here, the very simple. Focus target. Then we will integrate this open innovation. I have already explained. And what is our focus target? We will reduce the unemployment. We will give the higher earning to the people. We are not greedy. We are not working for money, but money will be also outcome, and our also academicians and researchers will have one wonderful life. And how we will do it? By the use of research. We will not do anything else. We will just do our research. We have to identify the problem and we have to give the solution. In the third stage, That is the problem statement and its solution. We will do that one. Then we will develop it for product. Product development, that is product, process, business model, we will develop. First, we need to understand that this is problem. In one university, if you were studying, find out that where is the management of the university facing problem. If you are academician in the university, find out where the university is facing the struggle. If they are not having the foreign student, if they are not having more student, what is the reason, the problem? And what you find out the solution, it must be there. Then we will develop the product and it will be unique product. This product will be go for patent first. We will support you together. You need not to spend more money for your patent filing. We are here all together. We will guide you how to go for patent filing and let us publish our patent. I think that this will create the new concept and successful concept of metaverse. Maybe you are also having a question that what I am sharing at the very last slide about the metaverse. Yes, we are not alone here. We need to understand it's not about only one universe. Our humanity should go for long run. And we need to understand the metaverse. And Eudoxia already introduced one platform for you all, Sky Metaverse. You can download the app, you can join that one also. You can connect with each other for collaboration. We are supporting you. It is free of cost, need not to pay anything. You can join in the website skymetaverse.com. Our officers will also share. You can download that. This is the opportunity for all of us. And I think that we will definitely get the success to reduce the unemployment. Finally, I'm coming towards the last slide. I'm sharing the two best quotations from the two geniuses. First, I would like to share here that Albert Einstein, he made one statement very important. I have no special talent. I am passionately curious. That is, he's always finding out the problem. Where is the problem? And not only observing problem, but also giving the solution. That is why he is genius. Not only looking into the problem, I have this problem, but no, he is actually searching the problem so that he can provide you the best solution. And another one, Steve Jobs, in corporate, in management. We know that his uniqueness is always appreciated by everyone. Having around 300 patents in his name, Steve Jobs, the great innovator. And he said that innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. And it is the truth of the world. If we can understand that our research without innovation, we are publishing again and again for our only academic growth, then one day will come that we have to share. Like, you know that I have 30 book publication, 50 book publication. The person will say, oh, you are having books. He will not read it. You are having numbers of papers. You will have to say like that. You know that I have this numbers of publication. I have done these things, that things. People will not know about this. If we are having the true innovation, then even your one quality work will recognize you in this world. I am appreciating your enthusiasm. I am appreciating your contribution. I'm appreciating your hard work of the all researcher and academician for this research and innovation journey. Thank you, everyone. I'm winding up my presentation and hope that we will promote this open innovation model to each and every corner of the world, and we will have the more collaboration, more research work, and more opportunities, especially for the academicians and the researchers. Thank you very much. Namaste from our side. Thank you.